Welcome back to Taste the World with Julia. Today we are baking classic British scones. They are soft, fluffy, and the kind of thing you want with a cup of tea on a slow afternoon. For the scones you will need 285 grams of flour, 16 grams of baking powder, 3 grams of salt, 50 grams of sugar, 85 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature, 160 milliliters of milk and 1 large egg. First, start by preheating your oven to 220 degrees Celsius top-bottom heat. Then, in a large bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, salt and sugar. Add the butter and rub it into the dry ingredients until the mixture looks sandy, with no large chunks of butter left. In a small bowl, whisk together the milk and the egg. Set about 2 to 4 tablespoons of this aside for brushing the tops later. Pour the rest into the dry ingredients and stir with a spatula until a rough dough forms. If you enjoy recipes from around the world, subscribe to Taste the World with Julia for new ones every week. Tip the dough onto a lightly floured surface and net it about 10 to 20 times, just until it comes together into a smooth bowl. Don't overwork it or the scones will turn out tough. Roll the dough out about 2.5 centimeters thick. Then use a cutter, or if you don't have a cutter, just use a cup to cut out your scones. Re-roll the scrapes and cut out more. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and brush the tops with the reserved milk-egg mixture. Then bake them for about 13 to 15 minutes, until they've risen and turned golden brown on top. Before serving, let them cool slightly. They are best slightly warm with butter, jam or clotted cream. And that's it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Taste the World with Julia. Watch the next video here.